काशी काबा एक है राम रहीम। हेलो लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम। दिस इज़ अमित कपूर। दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके सामने बात करने जा रहा हूँ वीकली प्रेडिक्शन जो कि स्टार्ट हो रही है 15 फैब से लेकर 21st of Feb 2021 तक। You know very well, my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign and zodiac sign, and my all prediction are based on your Indian Vedic astrology, and you keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen to my video. Let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb 2021. Jupiter is going to rise from 16th Feb. Saturn is already a rise, and in your 10th house, you will get a lot of business opportunities. You will get a lot of name, fame. You will get a lot of unexpected source from your profession. Your professional life will be ultimate, and you will enjoy all around success. Your workplace will be ultimate. You will enjoy a lot of appreciation at your workplace. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Monday and Tuesday will be rewarding days for you when some unexpected money will knock you. Your savings will rise and your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Wednesday and Thursday are biggest game changer days for you, because this 2 days, if you are investing your money in stock market, you will bless with a lot of profits. Aries, you need to perform your best. This whole week brings a lot of opportunities, good gain for you. Friday and Saturday, again, rewarding days for you. You may sign new deal or new documents, or you may spend some good time with your business partners. Some new business deal I seen as per dynamic. If you have a good Mahadasha like Jupiter, Sun, or Mars Mahadasha active in your birth chart, you will definitely start something new in this week, especially Friday or Saturday. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, success, fame, prosperity for you. You just need to perform your best, and good fortune is in your favor. Aries, do your wonders. Try to perform your best, because you are the best. This whole week will brings a lot of opportunities for you. Unmarried people, they may get good companion, and if you are unemployed, you may get a job. If you are trying to find a job, you will definitely get job, especially Wednesday to Saturday. These 4 days will be a rewarding and ultimate for you. Just perform your best, do your best. You will definitely get fantastic results. In the personal front, in the professional front, I give you 10 out of 10. In the personal front, I give you 9 out of 10, because you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Mars is in your first house, aspecting is on your 7th house, which has created some problem with relationship with your spouse, and you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to give some respect to your spouse, and always use polite talks, humble words, and try to be humble in your relationship. Perform your best, you will definitely achieve a lot of good goals at your professional life. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. This whole week will bring a lot of positivity for you, because Saturn is already rise. Jupiter is going to rise from 16th Feb, from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb 2021. You will feel much relaxed and better. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. If you are jobless, you will get job. If you are trying to travel foreign land, this week will brings positive news for you. You may get visa or PR. If you are trying to migrate from one place to another place as a PR, if you are already applying your PR, you will get good news. This whole week brings a lot of positivity. You will feel much relaxed and better. You will enjoy very positive energy. Taurus, this whole week brings lot of good gains for you. You just need to perform your best and think positive. The more you think positive, the more you get fantastic results. Monday and Tuesday will be rewarding days when you will get blessed with some unexpected gains from stock market or real estate, or your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. There is a strong chances you may get promoted in this week. Your salary will rise, your status will rise, and you may buy some luxury items for your home. Wednesday and Thursday will be again a very positive days for you. If you are unemployed, you will definitely get a job. You just need to find a good job, because this whole week brings a lot of good opportunities for you. Your parents will be happy from your performance. Your love life will be better. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, then this whole week brings very good positive energy from your spouse or from your love life. And if you want to if you want to convert your love life or living relationship in marriage, then this whole week brings a lot of good news. You just need to perform your best. Friday and Saturday, you will spend wonderful time with your family and friends, and you may sign some new deals or new contract, or you may help one of your friend or family member, and it will be a very promising and rewarding week for you. You just need to perform your best. Think once karma play a big role. And this whole week, the more you put your efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic result. If you're a doctor, lecturer, advocate, judge, you will definitely blessed with a lot of success. You just need to perform your best. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb 2021. You just need to perform your best because this whole week brings a lot of up and downs for you. There's no doubt Jupiter Saturn is arise in your 8th house, but being a 8th house placed in transit in 8th house in Gochar, that is not very well positioned for you. You will be a part of any problem. Your marriage life will be a matter of concern. Relationship with your spouse will undershadow. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. But you will get some good source of earning. You will get some good unexpected gains from your old investment. And Wednesday and Thursday, you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to give respect to your parents at your home because this whole week brings a lot of up and down in the terms of your relationship with your elders and your spouse. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse and elders. Gemini, you just need to perform your best and do your best. You will definitely get very good results after your hard work, after your struggle. But the more you put your efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic result. Monday and Tuesday will be a good days for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you need to be careful, but you will get some unexpected gains from your old investment. Friday and Saturday is a very, you can say, struggling days for you. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very low and disturbed. Even your health of your parents or your own health will be a matter of concern. You need to be careful and alert about your health. Must start meditation, must start yoga, and must chant this mantra Om Gan Ganpataye Namah 108 times, 121 times, 151 times. The more you chant this mantra, the more you feel positive energy. Otherwise, you will be in a tension, depression. You will face a lot of up and down. You are not satisfied whatever you earn from your business, whatever you earn from your job, because there's a lot of up and down in your professional life as well as your personal life. You need to be careful while talking with your seniors at workplace. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse at your home because your marriage life is a matter of concern. Your professional life is a matter of concern. You just try to put your 100% effort and always try to keep smiling on your face. So let's talk for Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants this whole week from 15th Feb to 21st of February 2021. You will be another height of success. Professionally, you will be sky high and top. You will get a lot of new opportunities. You will get a lot of gains from multiple sources of earning. Some new partnership offers will knock you. And you will be in a part of any big venture. And you will get very good gains from your old investment. If you're already investing your money in stock market, you will definitely blessed with a lot of good profits. Your creativity creates some magic at your workplace. If you are unemployed, you may get job. This whole week brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, success. You will spend some good time with your family and friends. You will spend wonderful time with your siblings. Cancer, you just need to perform your best. Think positive, do positive, just perform your best. Don't cheat anyone. Try to perform your best. Saturn, Jupiter is in your 7th house. You will get a lot of opportunities. If you think negative, then nothing happened positive with you. Because planet saying you like this, Jupiter Saturn aspecting is on your 1st house. Adharma Karma Adhapati Yoga is in your 7th house, will brings a lot of happiness. Monday, Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you when you will be top and sky high. Some new business deal you may sign, some new business partner will knock you, or some unexpected gains will knock you. Wednesday and Thursday, again, money matters will be far, far better. Your old debts will be clear. You will enjoy a lot of financial tie-ups. You will spend very good time with your younger siblings. Even you will help your younger siblings. Wednesday and Thursday, very good time when you give a lot of support to your family members. Friday and Saturday, you will sign new document. You may go for some short distance journey or long distance journey will make you happy. That is linked with your foreign and you will get blessed with a lot of success. You just need to perform your best, Cancer. The more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Think positive, do best. Don't try to cheat anyone. You will definitely get a lot of achievements in this week. This whole week brings a lot of positivity because Jupiter Saturn is rise in your 7th house. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday will be ultimate days for you. Only Saturday you need to be careful. Stomach problem will irritate you, backbone related trouble will irritate you, or some skin related trouble will irritate you on the day on Saturday. So you need to be careful and must give some respect to your mother and must watch full moon. Try to watch full moon, at night, and even try to go the full moon light at night. You will definitely feel much relaxed mentally. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sanders. This whole week, Monday, Tuesday, will be a game changer days for you. You will be feel much relaxed and better. You may sign new contract or new deal. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You will blessed with a lot of source of earning. Some unexpected gains are there. You will feel much relaxed and comfort, Leo, because Monday and Tuesday your family will support you. Your father give you a lot of blessings, and your father blessing will be a biggest game changer for you. You will feel much relaxed and comfort because you will be another height of success. Your all pending work will click automatically. Wednesday and Thursday, you again feel much relaxed and better. When your savings will rise, you will earn a lot of money from old investment. You may invest your money in stock market, but Mercury is retrograde. You have to wait till once Mercury direct. You may invest your money in stock market. You will blessed with a lot of gains from there. And Friday and Saturday you will enjoy very good time with your family and friend, and you may sign new deal. Some new business partners will enter in your life, or you may meet someone and he will give you lot of good advice. You will feel much relaxed and better. Leo, just this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You just need to perform your best, put your 100% effort, and must take blessings of your father and grandfather at your home. The blessings of your father will be a biggest game changer for you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. This whole week you need to be careful. Ascendant Lord is retrograde, but Jupiter Saturn rise. You will feel much relaxed and better. But Mercury is retrograde. Don't start anything new. You need to be careful about your health. Don't sign any new deal. Don't show your trust on others. Don't buy any car, or don't buy any house. Don't invest your money in real estate till your ascendant Lord is retrograde. This whole week you will get a lot of opportunities. Keep that opportunities in your mind. And when Mercury is direct, you may invest your money anywhere. You will blessed with a lot of success in 2021, and especially this week you will get new friends. Some new friends you will make, and they will give you very good advice. You will feel much relaxed and better because lot of source of earning you will see near future. And coming months or coming weeks will be a very promising for you, Virgo. But this week I would suggest you to don't invest your money anywhere. Just try to keep your opportunities in your mind, and when right time will come, when Mercury is direct, you may start anything new. Monday and Tuesday you will feel relaxed and better, and you will spend very good time at your workplace. But some over pressure from your seniors will irritate you a little bit, but you are able to manage all these things very nicely because you are very intelligent. Wednesday and Thursday, you will get some gains from stock market. If you're already investing your money, or if you are willing to invest your money, then you have to wait. One Mercury is direct, you may invest, but don't invest on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday, you will be bounced back. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You may get promoted, or if you wanna switch off your job, then this is the right time. But you have to wait. Mercury direct, I'm telling you again and again, because your ascendant Lord is retrograde. You need to be careful. You need to be alert. Overall, you will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. You will get a lot of peace of mind. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. Libra ascendants, this whole week you will get mixed results. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful about your health is not well. You're feeling very low and disturbed without any reason. You are not comfort zone. Your relationship with your spouse will be matter of concern. Relationship with your near and dear will be matter of concern. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed because planetary movement is not supporting you. You need to take care of your health on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, you will spend very good time with your family. You will spend very good time with your friends, but try to use good words. Don't show your ego attitude in front of anyone. If you want to invest some money, then you have to wait till Mercury retrograde motion. Once Mercury direct, you may invest anything, anywhere. You will get good result because Jupiter aspecting is on your 10th house. Your business will flourish, but you have to wait this week because patience, sometime patience play a big role. So patience is a key of success, Libra. And you need to take care of yourself, and you need to take care of your spouse health in the day of Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday you will enjoy good time, but health is a matter of concern in this week. You need to be careful and alert. Don't eat oily food, junk food, market food, or non-veg. Try to eat homemade food, or try to eat boiled vegetables. You will be feel much relaxed and better. Otherwise, stomach related trouble will irritate you. Libra, just chant this mantra, Om Ganganpataya Nama, Om Ganganpataya Nama, and Gayatri Mantra. The more you chant Gayatri Mantra and Om Ganganpataya Nama, the more you feel positive energy at your workplace and your home, and you feel much relaxed about your mental thoughts. Don't think too much, just do your best, try to perform your best. You are winner, but this is a little bit tough time. This whole week brings a lot of up and down and some mixed type of thinkings you will think in your mind. So don't think too much. Just trust on yourself. You are winner and you are born for win. Just wait for the right time. Let's talk about Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants, this whole week, you will be sky high and top. There's a strong chances for some foreign activities will make you happy. If you are importer exporter, you may get new order, or some foreign transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Financial tie-ups will be excellent and better. Your savings will rise. Your source of earning will be developed. If you have a good Mahadasha like Jupiter Mahadasha, Mars Mahadasha or Moon Mahadasha, and they well placed in your natal chart, in your birth chart, you will definitely top. Your family will support you. Some long distance journeys will make you happy, and you will blessed with a lot of gains through that journey. This whole week brings a lot of opportunities. Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate days for you when you will be sky high and top, and there is a strong chances for some foreign activities will knock you. You may go for some foreign travels or foreign journeys related to your business and profession, and you will blessed with a lot of success. Wednesday and Thursday, you will feel much relaxed and better, and mentally you will enjoy a lot because Wednesday and Thursday, planetary movement is in your favor, and you will enjoy a lot of good gains from your old investment. Your savings will rise, your cash flow will make you happy. You may help to your friend, or someone may help you on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday, you will enjoy very good time with your friends, and you will go for some short trip. In this week, in this whole week from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb 2021, there is a strong chances for some trips or some foreign activities will active, and you will feel blessed with the foreign gains. You just need to perform your best, do your work on time, don't do anything delay. If you do anything with a great delay, you miss the opportunity. You need to perform your best, put your 100% effort, and you will definitely sky high and top. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. This whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, you are feeling very low. Relationship with your father will be under shadow. Relationship of with your father or grandfather will undershadow. You're not feeling comfortable at your workplace. Your seniors are not going to give you very good results. You're feeling very down and upset because your energy level is very low. Monday and Tuesday, you are feeling unbalancing situation. Some financial unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but your whole game will be changed from Wednesday morning to Thursday night. You will feel much relaxed and better, and your family will start supporting you. Blessings of your father will be a game changer act for you, and relationship with your father will be on the better side on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday and Saturday, your seniors demand some more work from you, and you need to perform your best because this is a bit struggling week for you. You have ability to able all this situation very nicely, but you need to perform your best. The more you put your efforts at your workplace, the more you get good results. Otherwise, your seniors are not happy from your performance. Sagittarius, be careful, be alert, and doing your all work on time. You will definitely rock. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn ascendants from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Your relationship is matter of concern. Relationship with your spouse or loved one will matter of concern. Your ego problem will create some problem in your personal relationship. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, or you are married person, be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to give some respect to your spouse and your business partner. Financially, you will be in a better position compared to last 2-3 weeks, but Mercury is still retrograde. So the planetary movement is not very promising. Capricorn, you need to be careful and alert. Don't use any wrong words. Give some respect to your spouse. The more uh, the more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get good results. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. If you're a businessman, if you're a supplier, if you're any type of shopkeeper, don't show your trust on strangers. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. This whole week brings a lot of up and downs for you. You are not feeling comfortable. You are not feeling relaxed. So you need to perform your best and must start meditation early morning. You will definitely feel much relaxed and positive energy. And but relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Try to make a good balance between your professional life and your personal life, and must give some extra time to your spouse. Monday and Tuesday will be a mixed days for you. You're not feeling comfortable, you're feeling very low and disturbed, and sometimes you're feeling very disturbed because planetary position is not very favor. Relationship with a spouse will matter of concern. Even you can say some unnecessary arguments will create a lot of problem at your home peace. Wednesday and Thursday will be a good days in the professional front. You will enjoy good success at your workplace, but your personal life is not very promising. Relationship with your spouse will be matter of concern. You need to be careful. You need to be alert. You need to focus on your things. Do your all work on a right time, and you need to spend some time with your spouse. Weekend, you will be a part of any problem or any litigation. Capricorn, you need to be careful and alert. This whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendant. Aquarius ascendant, this whole week from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb, you will be a part of any problem. You will be a part of any disturbance. You are not feeling comfortable. Your spouse health is a matter of concern, or health of your kids will be a matter of concern if you are a married person. Mentally, you are not feeling comfortable. Monday and Tuesday, you will be in a deep depressed situation, or you are feeling very low and you are feeling very low energy because your family atmosphere is not very promising, and your old investment are not going to give you fruitful results. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be in a good position in the terms of mental thoughts, but stop thinking too much. Just need to perform some good things with your family and friends, and must go for Lord Shiva temple every day morning. Try to go every day morning. You will be relaxed, and chant the mantra Om Namah Shivaya 108 time, 121 time, 151 time. You will enjoy a lot of success. Aquarius, don't trust on strangers. Try to pay your bills on time, try to pay your taxes on time, and try to pay your rents on time. Otherwise, you will be a part of any litigation, you will be a part of any problem. Weekend, you will spend good time with your family, but this whole week brings a lot of up and down, lot of deep thinkings are there. You are not feeling comfortable. Someone may try to cheat you. So don't show your trust on anyone. Some long distance journeys will make you happy, or sudden long distance journey seen in your dynamics. So Aquarius, you need to be careful. I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants this whole week from 15th Feb to 21st of Feb 2021. This whole week, Pisces, you will get great success on Monday and Tuesday. Your all pending work will click, and if you are applying for loan, your loan will be click, and you will enjoy a lot of financial benefits. Your savings will rise and your source of earning will develop. You will get new opportunities. Wednesday and Tuesday, you are not feeling comfortable, but relationship with your spouse and your mother will be a matter of concern. You need to maintain a good balance between your mother and wife. Otherwise, you will be a depression or tension without any reason. So money matters will be excellent. Your business will be on growing side, and you will get a lot of success. Friday and Saturday, you will spend very good time with your family and friends, and some unexpected money, some unexpected earning will make you happy. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, you may get PR. If you are already applied, you may get work permit. Foreign related things will active, and you will enjoy a lot of success. Pisces, you just need to perform your best. This whole week will give you a lot of gains, lot of name, fame at your professional front. If you are in job, you will get very good appreciation from your seniors, and you may earn some extra money as a commission. And this whole week brings a lot of good tie-ups with your friends. If you have a good Mahadasha like Jupiter Mahadasha, Mars Mahadasha, or Moon Mahadasha, you will definitely sky high, and you will achieve a lot of goals. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.